Hi, good day. My name is Giselle Alvarez, a second-year student, BSEd major in mathematics. In this video, you will learn about the different kinds of four-sided polygons and their properties. Everywhere you look, there are polygons. And by definition, polygons are closed figures with only have straight lines. So circles and shapes that include curves is not a polygon. And by the way, polygons that have four sides and four angles are called quadrilateral. And now, we can find them everywhere around us, like our doors, windows, TVs, pictures, and etc. So, let's look at this word properly. So, basically, quad means four, and lateral means side. There are 6 types of quadrilateral, namely the parallelogram, rectangle, square, the rhombus, trapezoid, and lastly the triangle. But I have only to discuss about the 3 figures that I have chosen in our module as being instructed by our instructor, Mr. Ryan Labrador. So I have chosen 3 figures as you can see here in this corner. Now look at this figure here. This is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, such as side AA and side BE, side TA, side NH. And the lines connecting to this figure is parallel because they are not intersecting. As you can see, there are 2 pairs of parallel lines. So parallel means 2 lines that do not intersect, such as NA, side TH, and then side NH to side AT. And look at this figure. You can see there is 2 acute angle, which is the angle H and the angle A, and also have 2 obtuse angle, the angle M and the angle C. So remember that the sum of the angles of quadrilateral is always equal to 360 degrees. Meanwhile, list down the properties for you. This figure is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. 4 sides. Among these 4 sides, they are parallel and are equal to each other, such as side A is parallel to side. Now let's get back to the angles. The sum of these quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. It's interior angles. So, do we have a right angle in this figure? Of course not. What we have is 2 acute angles and 2 obtuse angles. Acute means they are less than 90 degrees.
What?
And obtuse means more than 90 degrees.
Woo!
So the angles are also equal, the opposite angles, such as Angle M is congruent to angle T, and angle A is congruent to its opposite angle H. Now, I will draw a line from this corner to its opposite corner, this one. We call this line its diagonal. It is a straight line connecting from the vertex to its opposite corner that bisect this quadrilateral. We can see two congruent triangles will be formed in a parallelogram. Two congruent triangles, such as triangle MAH congruent to triangle FCA. Remember that this property is just the basic property of a parallelogram. Let's see the special case of a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram. Now, let's see the special case of a parallelogram. This figure, look at this figure. Lateral named LOVE. You can see it is also a quadrilateral because it has four sides. And clearly, you can see that it also has two pairs of parallel sides, such as side LO is parallel to side EV, and side LA is parallel to side OV. So that is also the properties of this quadrilateral. And what this figure made it special? So it is clearly seen that the angles of this quadrilateral are right angles, such as angle E, angle L, angle O, and angle V. They are all equal to 90 degrees. So that's what makes this figure special. And so this special case of a parallelogram is what we call the rectangle. Rectangle can be defined as the parallelogram with all angles are right angle. Just like a parallelogram, the rectangle is also has parallel sides is equal to each other. Now, let's get more even exciting. Look at this figure. As you can see, it is also a quadrilateral with parallel lines and has four sides. So, I name this figure as LIFA. And just like the rectangle, it also has its right angles, such as angle F, angle I, angle L, and angle E. So, what makes it special? Of course, these four sides and four angles are congruent. This is called a regular polygon. So basically, this quadrilateral is called the square. Yes, it's square. Just as what we learned in our childhood. And this special case of a rectangle, the square is also parallelogram, for the sides are parallel to each other. The only difference is that their angles. The diagonal of the square bisect each other like the rectangle. Important is that the adjacent angles of the parallelograms are supplementary, meaning they are equal to 180 degrees, such as the adjacent angles THA is adjacent to NHMA. They are adjacent angles because they have common vertex and have common sides. So, however, remember that understanding the properties of quadrilaterals will help us understand the three-dimensional shapes such as the cubes and the rectangular prisms in our real life. That would be all. Thank you for watching.